The weather outside is not as frightful as it could be, that's for sure. Not like what we had yesterday morning, for that matter. And actually, the little bit of good news overnight was the fact that we stayed mostly cloudy just about everywhere, and that really cut down on the formation of ice in places that had wet roads. Basically, we still have a lot of ground heat out there, and if you put a blanket over the top of it and not radiate all that warmth of the surface, the asphalt surfaces out into space, it's harder to get it to freeze. So there's still ice out there in places. We've seen a couple of accidents already, but take it easy. Maybe we can get through the morning commute without anything really big happening. And we are seeing a little bit of light snow coming down, but the operative word in this is light snow from systems passing to the south of us. See a little bit of light snow down there in the south, southern Kitsap Peninsula, also over towards Tacoma and out towards the foothills there around the Seattle area. You might see a couple of flakes in the air is about all you're going to be seeing, but mostly it's staying to the south because the system is down in northern Oregon, rotating that moisture up into us. You can see as we get a little bit closer, it's kind of moving through the south sound at the moment. Also a little area of snow showers there right along the northern portion of the Olympic Peninsula this morning. Taking a look at Bellingham Tower Cam. Still waiting for those northeast winds to really pick up. They're just now beginning to ramp upward, and they'll probably get into the 15 to 25 mile per hour range with gusts 25 to 35 during the day, but then they're going to die right back off again as we head towards later this afternoon and tonight. Just a little shot of some cooler air headed towards Whatcom County. Everett right now, can't really see if there's anything. There might be a few flurries there, but that's about all, and that's really all we're expecting up around the Everett area today. Checking there in the street lamp there in the parking lot in Tacoma, you can see a little bit of light snow coming down, nothing sticking on the roads, and what you see on the bushes was really there left over from either earlier in the night or yesterday because it was there before the snow started this morning. Take a look at temperatures. They didn't get as cold as they could have. It looked like a lot of places were going to drop into the 20s, but with that cloud cover, we stayed mostly right around the freezing mark. So again, that has helped to limit the wide spread nature of the ice. But again, anything that's got an on-ramp or a bridge or anything, it's cooling on all sides, and those definitely have a chance to freeze up and have ice on them. Satellite image does show that system moving on to the east, just rotating this one little last band through here. It's going to move through by mid-morning. It'll be done. We'll see skies clear a little bit this afternoon. Should see some sun breaks, and then we get a pause all the way until late tomorrow. We might see another round of rain or snow headed our way. Checking the computer model, you see between now and noontime, basically stays to the south and east, and really a trace to maybe about an inch. You might get a little bit more as you move closer into the Cascades is all. And you can see as we move on through the day, not seeing much of anything going on. In fact, pretty quiet overnight tonight. I don't know why it's showing it increasing down there because there isn't any moisture, but that's the computer model for you. Taking a look at what we're expecting there today. Some patchy ice, especially on bridges and on and off ramps. This morning, also that light snow rain, maybe a trace to an inch south and east of Puget Sound, basically. And during the day, those gusty winds up there in Bellingham. But we will see a little bit of sunshine this afternoon. For tomorrow, we'll see maybe a little sun early, but increasing clouds. Chance of some rain or snow moving in primarily to the west of Puget Sound, so over towards the Kitsap Peninsula and down around Olympia. We'll see the showers, rain or snow showers early on Saturday morning, but then clearing out to sun in the afternoon. Then a break, sunshine Sunday and Monday, but chilly. Temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s for highs, lows mostly in the 20s. We'll look for just a couple rain or snow showers around Tuesday and Wednesday, and starting to warm with highs into the low 40s.